Very nice. Hello everyone. You miss Noi? You ready to cook with me? Okay, just get started.
What are you even making? What are you making, Mum?
Corn fritters. In Thai, ทอดมันข้าวโพด
Sort of like ทอดมันปลาใช่ไหม
เหมือนทอดมันปลา แต่ว่าใช้ข้าวโพดไม่ใช่ปลา
Can you teach Dax how to speak Thai, Mum? I think Dax would be very good at speaking Thai.
I think I would be terrible. I'm up for the challenge though.
Alright, Mum, give us a Thai lesson then.
Using red curry paste and by magrood, the lamb leaf, yes. ไข่ egg.
Can I have a kai?
ไก่
Kai.
ไข่ไก่
Kai kai.
Good lesson, Mum. What's the name for the corn? Tell everyone that we're doing a Thai lesson here.
ทอดมันข้าวโพด
No, but the corn is just kaopot, right?
โคนข้าวโพด
Kapor.
ข้าวโพด
Kapor.
ข้าวโพด
Why do I sound like not Thai? Yeah.
Now let's cooking. Okay, step one, we're gonna blend the corn. Some corn is blender, some corn is just leave it on the end. This is frozen corn, but I defrost it first. I'm gonna put 1 cup in the blender first. I got some here for later. This one have to blend very smoothly. See how you see what they look like? The paste, like a paste. Yeah. Put in a big bowl, and I put the paste in. Now you see the corn. They mix together like that. Now I'm gonna add some red curry paste. Now I'm gonna add the egg. You need the bowl? You got a bowl?
You got a bowl?
Let me check.
It's all right. I use this bowl because I want to crack the egg, but I don't want to put it straight in. You know, you can get bad egg.
Also, Mum and I doesn't get her own bowls.
Get our bowl. You never know when get a bad egg, like my son-in-law. Just mix the egg up and put in. Now cover this lamb. You have to break it up and tear it up like this, like hand like this. You come to be like this, because you can't eat the stove. You have to peel it up like that. Now you just line it up and you turn around like this, roll it up like this. So you just very finely chop. You see what they look like? Just look like this, see? Just put it in. Dry flour next. Dry flour, plain flour, fine. The fish sauce, just mix it. After mix a bit, I'm going to use the hand. That's how Thai people use how to make the cake. And now you have to bang a little bit on the side.
What happens if you don't do this properly?
They not come together, you know, when you fry it. That's how we do the light fish cake. Same process. That's how the paste look like. Yeah. Now let's cooking. Make a little bowl like this. I put my hand in the water for a little bit so they're not sticking. Now we checking that. See, nearly that color nearly ready. Just wait a little bit brown longer.
Is this making you hungry? Cook this, Noi?
Every time I cook, I feel hungry.
What makes it Noi's special corn fritters? What's the secret ingredient?
The secret ingredient is red curry paste and carbonate lamb by magrood. Don't tell anyone. Color looking good. You see the color? That's what we want. I can't wait to get in here to try it. While they're still warm, you bring a little bit of salt. There we go. Look at the color. That's perfect. We gotta get this little guy in the plate. Oh yeah, look at that. Mama know how to cook. Put sweet chili on the side. Look at that, fantastic. Now I'm gonna try some of this. Cause I'm hungry. I like a lot of sauce. Very good. Tastes very good. Nobody can make this like Mama Noy. Okay, the you people, I see you next time. No, I love you all. Bye.